In this video, we're gonna discuss Inventory 1, Reports, Inventory Book Menu. By using the Inventory Book menu, you can view the inventory receipt and release history during a specific date range. And you can also set up report template to display not only quantity but also the price of each receipt and release. And you can also display inventory balance amount. So firstly, to view data, you can select the target date range. And here you can select a range, unlike in inventory balance report. In the inventory book report, the inventory history over the selected date range will be displayed. So if you click Search, the quantity change history will be displayed by each item. And now we're going to look over the fields in the search template. So if you want to search and view the data of only a specific warehouse or item, you can click on each magnifying glass and select one or multiple items in warehouses. And as in the inventory balance report, you can click on the arrow button next to each field and search by location level group or item category or item groups. And at the search template bottom, you can see Others field. So firstly, if you select Display Approval Line option and click Search, the approval line boxes will be displayed at the top right side. And please note that the program will pull the approval line that has been set up in Inventory 1, Setup, Approval Line for Print menu. And next, Include Non-Stock Items option will allow you to view data including the items that you set as not subject to quantity control in the Item Setup menu. And Include Inactive Items option will display data including the data of deactivated item codes. So in Item Setup menu, you can deactivate or reactivate an existing item code. And this option will allow you to view deactivated items quantity history as well. And Include Goods Issued Location Transfer option allows you to view data including the ones entered in Goods Issued and Location Transfer menu, which do not cause quantity increase or decrease. The two menus move quantity only internally, and they do not affect the total quantity, unlike Sales or Purchases menu, where quantity is deducted or added. So check the option and search if you want to view data including internal quantity movements. Then in the search results, you can see that the same quantity is being displayed in both increase and decrease fields, which means no quantity change. And next is Exclude Item Without Transaction History option. So this option allows you to exclude from search results the items that have no inventory change history during the selected date range, and only the items that have data during the date range will be displayed. And finally, Item Name Sorting option is, if you do not check the option and search, the search results will be sorted in order of item codes by default. And if you check the option and search, the results will be sorted in order of item names. And moving on, we are going to look at the All tab of Search Template. Here you can see Add to Major Item Search Condition. This field is a search condition used by customers who use Item Relation Setting feature. Item Relation Setting allows you to, for instance, if you purchase an item in one unit and then sell it in another unit, you can register an individual item code for each unit. So for example, 2 item codes for 2 quantity units, and then you can set an item relation between the 2 item codes and control the quantity of both units based on one base quantity unit. So let's say you have set an item relation between item A and B in the item setup menu, with item A being the major item and item B being the linked item. And let's say quantity 1 of item A corresponds to quantity 10 of item B. Then in the inventory book report, if you select item B and search by sum of linked item option, the quantity history of both major item and linked item will be displayed after being converted into the major item's quantity unit. So here, if you look at the data in more detail, if you click each slip's date number, on October 1st, you sold 3 quantity of item A, and in the next slip, on October 2nd, you sold 3,000 quantity of item B. However, in the inventory book search results, based on the major item A's quantity unit, the 3,000 has been converted into 300. And even though you've selected only item B, the sum of linked item option is displaying the data of both item A and B based on the item relation link. And also, if you select individual item standard option and uncheck convert to major item standard option and search, only item B's data will be displayed and quantity will not be converted to major item quantity unit. Therefore, 3,000 quantity will be displayed as it is. And for more details, please refer to the item relation setting video. And next, if you look at the General tab, you can find Display Price field. In the inventory book, if you search with the default template, only quantity history will be displayed. But if you search with Include Amount template, then you can view the history including price and amount information. And in the Display Price field, you can select the price that the program pulls to the price field of the search results. The default setting will display the prices entered in inventory slips. So in Increase section, the price entered in purchase slips will be displayed. And in Decrease section, the price entered in sales slips will be loaded. And you can select and load another price data by using Display Price field. So here, sales and purchase price options are the default settings that I've mentioned. And VAT included options will display price including tax amount. And monthly cost option will display the price of the selected costing data. Then in the search results, the price generated in Inventory 2 module, Costing, New Costing menu will be pulled and displayed. Item sales and purchase price options will pull the price from item registration default sale and purchase price. And finally, in Other Unit Prices field, you can select the base price for the menus where no item price is entered, such as Location Transfer and Goods Receipt menu. So for instance, if you select Baked Barbecue Pizza and select Monthly Cost as Price and select Include Goods Issued Location Transfer option and search with Include Amount template, then the program will pull the price from the Costing generated in Inventory to Costing, New Costing menu, and you can verify the applied price by clicking View button. And next, if you select Item Purchase Price and search, the program will pull the price from Item Setup menu. So here the price of $80 will be pulled and displayed in the Inventory Book Price field. So use the Display Price field and Include Amount template to your convenience and verify inventory prices to your desire. And in addition to the Include Amount template, you can also add Price field to the default template by using Option button at the top right, Template Setup. And you can also see Include Foreign Currency template at the Search template bottom left. So if you search with this template, if you entered sales or purchase slips in a foreign currency, you can view the corresponding data. And foreign currency amount field can also be added to the default template by Template Setup. So in this way, you can use the Inventory Book report to view a specific item's inventory receipt and release history during a specific date range.